Welcome to Building the Web, a series exploring how humanity transformed a web of wires into a global revolution. Today, we're rewinding to the Cold War era, where the Internet's story begins. This is centralized hubs, vulnerable to a single strike. Paul Baran, a RAND Corporation engineer, proposed a radical solution: a decentralized network where data could reroute dynamically. His idea: packet switching, breaking messages into chunks and sending them through multiple paths. Across the Atlantic, British scientist Donald Davies independently developed similar concepts. Together, their work became the blueprint for a resilient communication system. By 1969, the US Department of Defense launched ARPANET, the Internet's direct ancestor. Its first message? Just 2 letters. Low, a crashed attempt at login. But this humble start marked a seismic shift. By 1971, ARPANET linked 15 institutions from UCLA to MIT. Scientists could now share resources remotely, but this was still a tool for academia and the military, not the public. To connect different networks, engineers needed a universal language. Enter Vint Cerf and Bob Kahn. In 1974, they developed TCP/IP, the protocol suite that let diverse systems talk to each other. TCP, or Transmission Control Protocol, ensured data arrived intact. IP, or Internet Protocol, routed packets to their destination. By 1983, ARPANET fully adopted TCP/IP, creating the backbone of today's Internet. Cerf and Kahn's collaboration didn't just solve a technical problem, it unified a fractured digital world. While networks grew, one innovation made the Internet personal: email. In 1971, engineer Ray Tomlinson sent the first electronic message between 2 machines and chose the E symbol to separate user and destination. Suddenly, communication wasn't just about machines, it was about people. By the 1980s, email exploded in academia and business. Yet, the Internet remained a text-based technical realm, far from the user-friendly web we know today. Through the 1980s, the Internet expanded beyond labs. Usenet forums let users debate topics. Bulletin board systems, or BBS, created niche communities. But accessing these required technical skill and patience. This was the pre-web Internet, powerful but fragmented. There were no browsers, no hyperlinks, just a maze of commands and directories. Something had to simplify it all. In our next episode, we'll meet the visionary who turned this chaos into a global library, Tim Berners-Lee, and explore how HTML, URLs, and browsers unlock the web for billions. But before we go, this episode is brought to you by Telephony Domain Register, securing your digital future in a connected world. Subscribe now and join us as we continue building the web.